you deal with keywords in Pinterest? How do you
Yeah.
know what people are searching for?
So you can go up into the search bar and hit the little magnifying glass. Then you start typing something in. So my next pin I was looking at is about tax season. So I'm going to start typing
About
in
what? Sorry?
tax season.
Tax season.
Yeah.
Finance and tax season. Delightful. I was
I
expecting
know.
necklaces and red shirts.
Nope. This
Nope.
one has 407 reactions on it. It has 30 comments on it, and it's just a person talking with some text overlay. Okay, so I'm going to just take that idea and run with it. I typed in the word taxes, and like with Google, you have this drop down that will show you other related terms. So I've got taxes for small business, taxes humor, taxes for self-employed, taxes tips, quotes, aesthetic, organization. So I would use those keywords if they applied to me.
Wow. So in fact, what Pinterest is doing, tax season humor, tax season survival kit, tax season quotes. Quotes about tax season. It's really scary. That's my quote for tax season.
That's accurate, yes.
So yeah, the thing is, if it's moving